Welcome to a new video. I'm Nogo Flo, and today we are about to have a very unique experience. We're taking a ride in a South African taxi. So along the way I'll be giving you some useful information and a few pros and cons about taking a taxi in South Africa. So yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Join me and enjoy the ride. Minibus taxis make up 90% of all public transportation in South Africa, so this is how most people get around different places. Now we do have different types of taxis depending on distance. For example, the one that we're in right now is for medium to long distance trips. That's the minibus taxi. We also have taxis for short distances, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about as we keep moving. So those ones transport less number of people and they travel locally to the local mall, the local clinic, the local train station or bus terminal. But they all work the same way. So the information that I'll be sharing with you will be useful in all situations. So these are shared taxis with a predetermined destination. If you want to go to the city center, you have to look for a taxi going to the city center. Now taxis normally do not leave until they are full. In most cases they do get full very quickly, but of course this will depend on your destination. Taxis in South Africa have a fixed price policy, so you know exactly how much you're paying before the taxi even leaves. In a shared taxi, we pay as a group. Usually there will be about 3 to 4 people in each row. Now as I mentioned, they have a fixed price policy. So the advantage is you know exactly how much you're paying. That's a pro. But the negative side of this is that you cannot negotiate. And trust me, if you do not have enough money for a taxi, please do not get on it. Because if you are short, the driver will stop the taxi until he gets all his money. The best advice is don't get inside the taxi if you don't have enough money. Trust me, you don't want to be that guy. It's a very serious offense. Now the person sitting in front is the one who counts the money. He's the one who deals with the money and makes sure that everybody gets their change and the driver gets his money. In this case, it was me. And trust me, this was not by choice. Moving on. If you are all about your privacy, this might be a negative for you because you cannot choose who to sit next to. Or on the plus side, you can sit next to a very nice person and by the end of the taxi ride, you have yourself a new friend. That's a pro. Now trust me, taxis are never without drama. There's always something happening. There's always some story. You find different personalities. You find comedians. You find people who are angry. Remember, in a taxi you meet different people from very different backgrounds. So it's always going to be an interesting journey. In any case, it will not be a boring experience. You know, if you use a taxi every day or you have a unique story, please share it down in the comment section. You know, maybe someone has never been in a taxi before and they would like to know how your experience was. And if you don't take taxis much, share your first experience of riding a taxi in South Africa. If any of you have tips or maybe more information that I didn't share, feel free to write it down in the comment section and help the next person. Anyway guys, that's all from me. Enjoy the rest of the ride and thank you for watching. I'm Nogo Flo and I'll see you on my next video.
Vamos a hacer